Yeah, growing up, you were like one of my favorite bad guys of all time.
Thank you, man.
It was great. I just love your feud with Jake the Snake Roberts.
That was one of my favorites too.
Yeah.
Gold?
A black on that one too.
Black on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, I love that skate you did with when you try to get the boy to bounce the ball back, and then at the last minute you kick the ball
That's
out.
why the ball is in this.
Yeah.
You know, when I first saw the ball, I went, "Why is that basketball in there?" And they said, "We get so many comments about the kid in the basketball." And I said, "Well, I get it because I get the question all the time. Did you really do that to the kid?" I said, "Of course not. It was staged."
All right. Yeah.
Picture.
Yeah.